Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. So should you invest in gold? Should you invest in silver? Or should you invest in both? Let's understand this through five simple points. So firstly, to begin with, yes, my recommendation is invest in gold as well as silver. And you can have a 50-50% allocation to both of it. Somewhere between 10 to 20% of your net worth can be in precious metals, which is gold and silver. And you can have a 50-50 allocation between the two of them. Let's try and understand through 5 points why should you invest. Okay, first point, gold performs well during recession. So if there is an economic depression or there are recessionary phases, then gold performs very well during this time. If there is a precious metal rally, then silver outperforms gold on most occasions. So if there is a precious metals rally, it's a bull market, then silver will be the one that outperforms. So you can have a mixture of both. Point two, both silver and gold are hedge against inflation. So it helps you to beat inflation and grow your wealth. Point three, both gold and silver have low correlation with equities. That is why, like we say, it's a hedge against your portfolio. If equities are going up, maybe gold and silver will not perform that well. But when equities are not performing, gold and silver, precious metals, will do well. Point four, both gold and silver are limited in supply and their demand is as such rising, which is like a perpetual rising demand, just as population increases and incomes increase. So obviously they are a good investment basket to be in. Point five, silver is in a unique position. It is part of a lot of these new age technology businesses because of which its demand is rising, like electrical vehicles, smartphones, solar panels, etc. So these are five reasons why you should have both gold and silver in your portfolio. So should you invest in gold and silver through the physical form or a mutual fund form? So I always prefer mutual funds. We have done a video in the past as well. The reason is simple. There is no storage requirement. There is no risk of theft. There is no risk of impurity. Matlab, you know that since you are buying it from a regulated portfolio or a rather regulated investment basket, you know you are getting something which is pure. And most important point, partial redemption is possible. Partial redemption basically means if you have invested a large amount and you want only a portion of it back, you don't have to sell the entire jewelry. You can just redeem the part of the portion through a mutual fund and get back only that desired amount. So to revise, five reasons why you should have gold and silver in your portfolio. Gold and silver hedge against inflation. Gold and silver hedge against equities. Gold and silver are limited in supply and their demand is rising. Silver is used in a lot of these new technology businesses because of which its demand is rising, and it's also a play on these new technology businesses. And point five, gold and silver perform well during recessionary phase. Silver especially outperforms gold and other precious metals whenever there is a bull market or there is a rally in precious metals. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you found this useful.